Hi, I'm Dr. Sian Mitchell, one of the lecturers in film, TV and animation here at Deakin. I'm also the Festival Director of the Melbourne Women in Film Festival, where I get to work with the next generation of Australian screen storytellers and connect their work to audiences. One of the really valuable experiences our students have while studying with us is to engage with and think about film festivals. There are so many film festivals across the globe that provide students of film, TV and animation the opportunity to get their work on the big screen in front of international or local audiences. You can choose to study film festivals as part of the FTVA course, where you get to think critically about the role that festivals play in enhancing and supporting Australian and international screen culture. You also get to be creative in coming up with your own short film festival idea. For me though, I think the most exciting part about being here at Deakin is seeing our students go on to have their work showcased at many national and international film festivals, and also go on to win awards. Our students have screened their films at Monsterfest, Australia's premier genre film festival, Cinefest Oz, and the Oscar-accredited St Kilda Film Festival. They've also screened internationally at Blackbird Film Festival in New York, South Texas Underground Film Festival, Screamfest in Hollywood, Aesthetica in Nottingham and Glendale International. Animation students have also been showcased at Melbourne and Australian International Animation Festivals. Developing a film festival strategy is an important step for any emerging filmmaker wanting to build a career in the industry. So we hope you consider studying with us here at Deakin, where you learn to make the screen stories that are important to you and develop pathways to share them with the world.